Here are 15 common interview questions for a desktop support engineer position, along with brief explanations of why they're asked. 1. What is the role of a desktop support engineer? Purpose: to assess whether the candidate understands the key responsibilities of the job, including supporting end users, troubleshooting, and maintaining desktops, laptops, and peripherals. Though, can you explain what Active Directory is and how it is used? Purpose: evaluates the candidate's understanding of Active Directory, which is crucial for managing user accounts, permissions, and network resources in many environments. Theme: what is the difference between a domain and a workgroup? Purpose: tests knowledge of network configurations, specifically regarding how devices and resources are organized and accessed in Windows environments. 4. How would you troubleshoot a user who is unable to connect to the network? Purpose: tests problem solving and technical troubleshooting skills, such as checking cables, IP configurations, network drivers, etc. 5. Explain the process of resolving a slow-performing computer. Purpose: assess diagnostic skills for performance issues, such as checking RAM usage, CPU, disk space, background processes, and potential malware. Chair: what is a BSOD blue screen of death, and how would you handle it? Purpose: evaluates the candidate's knowledge of common Windows errors and their approach to solving critical system crashes. 7. How do you approach software installation and updates? Purpose: tests familiarity with software deployment tools, patch management, and ensuring applications are up to date for security and performance. 8. How would you troubleshoot a printer that's not responding on a network? Purpose: examines the candidate's ability to address hardware issues, from checking connections to configuring network printer settings. 9. What is the purpose of the Windows Event Viewer? Purpose: checks knowledge of event logs and how to use them for troubleshooting system errors, application crashes, or security incidents. Thus, describe the process of creating a system image backup for a user's computer. Purpose: tests familiarity with backup methods and disaster recovery techniques to prevent data loss in case of system failure. 11. How do you handle a situation where a user complains about a software application crashing frequently? Purpose: assesses how the candidate deals with software issues, such as collecting error logs, updating or reinstalling the application, or checking system compatibility. 12. Can you explain what Remote Desktop Protocol (RDP) is and when you would use it? Purpose: tests knowledge of remote access tools and how they help desktop support engineers provide assistance remotely. 13. What steps would you take to secure a user's workstation? Purpose: evaluates knowledge of basic security measures such as setting strong passwords, using encryption, applying patches, and educating users on best security practices. 14. How do you prioritize multiple support requests at once? Purpose: tests organizational and time management skills. A desktop support engineer needs to handle multiple requests and prioritize based on urgency and impact. 15. What is DNS, and how does it work in a network environment? Purpose: assesses understanding of networking, specifically the domain name system DNS and its role in resolving domain names to IP addresses for network communication. These questions test a combination of technical knowledge and problem-solving skills critical for a desktop support engineer role.